In this video, we'll be replacing the charging port of an Apollo Go. The tools you'll need to complete this repair are a 3mm Allen key, a pair of flush cutters, a precision Phillips head screwdriver, and some heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. To start, obviously we have the scooter upside down on our workspace here. I'm going to take my 3mm Allen key and remove the 4 screws on the plate of the control cavity to access the inside of the scooter. Put that aside and I can see inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the connector for the charge port that connects to the battery. I can trace this red and black cable down to this plug here. That's how I know it's the charging port. And with my flush cutters, just removing the wrap. Disconnecting. So now that it's disconnected, I can actually remove the charging port. I'm going to do that with a small Phillips head screwdriver, uninstalling the 2 screws on the front. And now that those screws are gone, I can actually pull it all the way out and remove it from the cover. There's our charging port. So now to install a new charging port, I'm going to take the charging port cover and put the charging port through the hole. Make sure the 2 holes on the face line up so we can install it. Put the connector through this hole into the control cavity. Push. Now I can take my Phillips head screwdriver and reinstall the 2 screws, securing it in place. So now we're finished there. We can move back up into the control cavity portion of the scooter. Okay, now we can just reconnect the charging port connector. I have some heat shrink tubing I'm going to slide on and apply heat to so it seals nicely. Now the heat shrink is shrunk over the connector, we can tuck that cable away and reinstall our plate. And there we go, we've just replaced the charging port on an Apollo Go.